Hello guys, I have created an MIDI Piano Animator where the MIDI file is being played into the keys here. So what it does is you have to convert your MIDI file into CSV format and then just load here in this project. So how to run this project? Let me show you. At first go to scripting tab and then just hit this play button, run script, and then you come back to layout tab. You will see one panel, this MIDI Piano Studio Editor. So now just load your both MIDI to CSV converted file and then the audio file, and you can render your audio file from any software or any website like BandLab, your favorite DAW, anything. Now how to convert your MIDI file into CSV format? Just go to the browser and type MIDI to CSV. Just click on the top link that says vercel.app. Upload your MIDI file here and then just go to the CSV tab and download it. Now you can choose your flow, intensity, rotation, octave, shift, and all those you can explore and see what it does. I have opened my sequencer tab here. In channel 1 you can see that currently it is empty right now. Now if I hit bake track in animation, you will just see a track. What it does, it just places the mp3 file in the channel 1. So now you can see the keys are being animated with rotation maximum 2.5 as because it is responsive to the velocity. The more the velocity, the more it rotates. And that's it. You can see all the keys like white keys and black keys are here. You can replace with any of your stylized key, or you can just create your own type of key and then just make sure you rename it properly, then only it will work, because the script finds that named object here. And you can, if you know Python, you can just tweak some of its parameters. That's all about this project. Thank you.